transplant here, holistic practitioner, advanced energy therapist practitioner as well. You're a practitioner of natural medicines. You're a business person. You're a housewife. You're a preacher of the gospel. Whatever it is that you're doing in life, you have a result of what you're doing right now. Is your output what you expect? If not, then I'm proposing to you today an advanced all-round abundance training. The training unlike any other one that you've ever listened or ever learned in your life. In fact, we want you to be in a state of emotional abundance almost permanently, be in a state of health abundance almost permanently, be in a state of financial abundance almost permanently, and this can be created. It's actually an art, it's actually a science. It's teaching, as you are going to see, they're actually Bible-based teachings, they're standard-validated, they're tested programs. It's actually the second edition of the program that I'm announced to you. So it's 3 modules in one, and they're very transformational. It's a teaching that is going to empower you, going to make you be emotionally abundant, happy for no reason. Instead, you want to naturally have in order to be able to go about your life with a lot of ease. So guys, you want to contact us right now and book your slots for this program. This program is slated for Saturday, the 8th of February 2026, in a month's time from now. And please, we have very limited slots. So you want to contact us and book your slot. As I said earlier, we have 3 big modules in one: health abundance, emotional abundance, financial abundance. If you are still health and know what you want, you can take it to where you want it to be and what you want. That's very possible with the program. If you're not emotionally abundant, if you are always emotionally drained, sad, easily get angry, worried almost every time, that can be shifted, that can be changed. In fact, the universe responds to emotional abundance. The universe responds to mental clarity, and this can be achieved. So guys, contact us right now and book your slots. And as the days unfold, we give more information about the program. We will get amazing testimonies from the participants of the program. As taken from this program, you have the whole booklet, you have videos that are going to accompany you, and on top of that, we have follow-up for 4 straight weeks. And it's going to be an on-the-spot program. It's also going to be an online program. We want to take your life from where it is now to where you want it to be, and this can only be done through knowledge. Thank you. God bless you.